Welcome to the ultimate mango factory. Stay tuned to see the most insane automated slicing machine at the end. Smash that subscribe button and hit the bell now.
How many of you knew that ozone gas is used to naturally sanitize fruit? Drop a comment below if this surprises you.
Look at how these mechanical rollers instantly sort every single mango by its exact width. The precision here is absolutely unmatched. Each mango in under 2 seconds without losing a single drop of rich fruit pulp. Watch how this ultra-sharp dual-blade cutting system instantly isolates the flat mango pit from the juicy meat. Absolute satisfaction. This multi-blade slicing awry cuts the mango cheeks into flawless, uniform strips. Consistency is key for perfect drying. To maintain that vibrant golden color without artificial additives, the mango strips take a quick bath in an organic citric acid mix. Excess moisture is the enemy of dehydration. These high-velocity air knives blast away surface water instantly. No human hand touches the fruit here. This robotic shuttle perfectly spreads the mango slices to ensure optimal airflow during dehydration.
This is where the magic happens. The massive tunnel dehydrator swallows rows of mango racks for a precise 16-hour thermal cycle.
To get perfectly even drying, the automated system reverses the hot airflow direction every 2 hours. Absolute engineering mastery. The golden dried mango strips finally exit the tunnel. Now, they must cool down instantly to lock in that perfect chewy texture. A specialized flipping mechanism inverted the tray to release the mango strips onto a massive vibrating separator. Watch them jump. This computer-controlled multi-head weigher calculates the perfect combination of mango slices in milliseconds for exact package weight. Now for the ultimate seal. Nitrogen injection ensures these premium dried mangoes stay fresh for months. Subscribe for our next epic factory tour.